Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious but healthy Black Forest chocolate bark. You can keep this in the freezer and just serve it whenever you want to have something sweet or you want to serve something sweet to your guests. This is perfect and you can have it anytime you like. This is an excellent breakfast, it's an excellent dessert, it's so tasty and it's really quick and easy to make. The hardest part of this is actually waiting for this to freeze. So let's get into the recipe. So because I'm making Black Forest chocolate bark, I'm going to be using cherries like you would in a Black Forest cake. So this is reminiscent of my childhood when my mum used to make a lot of Black Forest cakes, and this is what I want to replicate in this delicious chocolate bark. So I'm going to lay some cherries on the bottom of this tray that I've lined with some non-stick parchment paper, and you could use any fruit that you like, but like I said, I want to use cherries because it reminds me of Black Forest cake. I've laid out all of my cherries, but like I said, you can use any fruit that you like. Blueberries would work well, raspberries would work well, cranberries would be delicious as well. So just leave it up to your imagination or whatever you have on hand. Even some orange slices on the bottom of this would be amazing. It's very, very versatile. So what I've got next is 2 bowls with some vegan yogurt. I'm using a soy-based Greek-style yogurt with a hint of vanilla. But I love vanilla, so I'm actually going to add some extra vanilla. I've divided it into 2 bowls and there's about half a cup's worth in each bowl. So I'm just adding a splash of vanilla to each of these. Love that smell. And then one of these, I'm going to add some strawberry jam. About a tablespoon's worth. You could just leave it plain if you wanted to. And then I'm just going to mix this up. And then I'm just going to add a little splash of oat milk. You just want enough oat milk just to make it a slightly runny consistency, but still have that thickness there of the yogurt. And this is going to be the light coloured layer of our Black Forest chocolate bark. Now next, obviously it's chocolate, so I'm going to add some cacao powder. I've got 2 tablespoons worth there. And then same thing, I'm going to give this a mix up, and I'm also going to again add some of that oat milk. About 2 teaspoons worth. And just stir that until it's well combined. Okay, so the chocolate is now stirred together, and this is almost like a chocolate mousse. You could serve that as a healthy chocolate mousse, but I'm going to layer it on here now. First, I'm going to put the strawberry yogurt layer and just spread that across the cherries, trying to keep it on top of the cherries as much as you can. With the back of your spoon or a spatula, spread that across. And do the same with the chocolate layer. I do like to keep some of the whiter layer around the edge, just so it looks like a Black Forest cake that has the creamy layer as well. Then for a bit of extra crunch, I'm just going to add some slivered almonds, but these are optional. And it's time to put this in the freezer. Okay, so the Black Forest chocolate bark has been in the freezer for about 4 hours. It has firmed up, and you can just leave this in the freezer in an airtight container for weeks and weeks, and just grab pieces as you need them and as you want to eat them or share them when you have company coming over. It makes it really, really easy. So what I like to do is just take it off the tray and then just get a knife and then just cut this into pieces. It'll just break apart so easily. Yum! And then just go across like this. But really, the ingredients are so healthy that you can just eat all of this for breakfast. So good, so easy, so delicious. And on the other side, it's very, very beautiful as well. It's just so quick and easy to make and absolutely delicious. It's cold and it's refreshing. It's such a great alternative to ice cream. It's fantastic just to leave in your freezer and have any time of the year. It doesn't have to be a festive occasion. It's absolutely delicious. And using the soy yogurt makes it healthy. And just such a quick, easy recipe that I love, and it reminds me of when my mum used to make me Black Forrest Cake, and this really just hits the spot. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. I'd love for you to take some photos, tag me on Instagram, or join me in my Facebook group. I'll leave a link to that below. And I'd love to see your photos and your version of this. Which fruit are you going to use? Are you going to stick to cherries or improvise and use strawberries or other berries or oranges? It's so versatile. The options are endless. I hope you give this a try, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.